Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. Today we will check how to see the delete message on Viber. So let's start. Well, first let's go to a chat. Here I will write a message. And I'm going to send. Well, as you can see here, we can see the message. But, for example, if we press and delete the message, it disappears from the chat. And it's not possible to see again. However, there is a trick that we can do it for checking the message which the other person deleted, and this is the notifications. So if you want to check the notifications, let's go to more, and then let's go to settings, and here you check the notifications. Okay, check that all the notifications are activated. In this way, when someone sends message, even the person deletes, it will appear in your notifications bar. So for that reason, you can check what message the person wrote. So this is the only way to get to see the message on Viber, even delayed. Maybe you can get your apps to get the message delayed, but this is a risk for your account and it can be hacked by someone. So it's better to do by the notifications method. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give like to the video.